Are you tired of restless nights on a mattress that's harboring allergens and stubborn stains? Say goodbye to the hassle. Introducing CleanNow's superior mattress cleaning service, tailored for the dynamic expatriate families and busy professionals who deserve only the best. At CleanNow, we understand the importance of a clean and allergen-free mattress for a good night's sleep. Our certified and highly trained mattress cleaning experts, with a track record of delivering exceptional results, offer you the solution you've been seeking. From tackling all types of stubborn stains to neutralizing unpleasant odors, we use advanced cleaning methods that penetrate deep into your mattress fibers, leaving your mattress thoroughly cleaned and refreshed. Dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens lurking in your mattress? No worries. Our specialized allergy relief service effectively captures 99.97% of allergens, improving the overall air quality in your home. That's not all. Our advanced treatment techniques ensure bed bugs and dust mites are completely eliminated, providing you with a clean, healthy sleeping environment. We understand that your time is valuable. With flexible scheduling options and fast drying techniques that ensure your mattress is ready for use within a few hours of cleaning, we guarantee minimal disruption to your routine. We take pride in our commitment to customer satisfaction, and that's why we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll re-clean your mattress at no extra cost. It's time to give your mattress the professional care it deserves. Don't wait any longer. Book your CleanNow mattress cleaning service now and experience the difference. Visit our website or call us to schedule your appointment today.